eventually.
Because I'm itching to start making some drawers. seen, the drawers are now in, and all that needs doing is a few final touch-ups, like threaded inserts for the top. We've got the back panel to cut out, but I won't fit that, or install it should I say, until the finish is on. And then it's just a few bits of sanding to do, and that's it. So, cue the montage footage of all that, and then it's on to applying the finish. Let's go! So, it's the next day. I had a little accident yesterday in terms of this bad boy. So, I was drilling in some pilot holes so I can secure these legs to the carcass. The pilot drill bit snapped, and then the remaining bit that was left in the chuck went into my thumb, the base of my thumb now, and then out the other side of my thumb. So yeah, got a little hole in my thumb, but I've been bandaged up, and I've had a tetanus jab because it was an old, janky drill bit. Be careful in the workshop, folks. Okay, so finish time. Just thinking, my thumb looks so bizarre in these things. Anyway, we are going with Rubio Monocoat, which we use for all of our products. But we're using mist this time. We usually use smoke 5%, but we are going with mist for this particular project. Just because. No reason, we just like the look of this one. So that's what we're going for. Nothing more to say, so this is going to be a long night. And so, I'll see you on the other side. I won't bore you with these shots. It's boring to watch someone just put finish on, especially from that far away. I wish I could get you closer, but I can't, okay? So, let's just skip to a nice little slow fade, and then into some B-roll footage of the final project. Hope you guys enjoyed the build, and I'll see you later in the next one. Yeah? 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 Bye guys.